It's your boy. Got my G shades on today. It's your boy. It's just Dre. Back with another video. Today, got something in store for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Coming with the vids, the bangers, baby. You feel me? Don't mind that. That's because it's a whole bunch of wiring. This is literally wiring. I have sensors on my bumper, so it's just look crazy back there. But today, I'm about to put on my PLM heat exchanger. It is about that time. I'm getting tired of heat soaking, and it is summertime, so it is about that time to replace this rinky-dinky one with something that's really gonna put some work in. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and take a look. I kind of already took everything off. The bolts at the bottom to remove the bumper. Took those off. Pin is still there though. I moved my bracket, my crash bar. It was 8 bolts total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4. And these 4 will be here. Remove them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of bad angle. Remove those, and then I'll come straight off. And then next, we have 1 bolt tab, and I think another bolt and tab, and I think we have to remove this as well. I don't think you have to, but I think it's just to give you some more room to move around. So I might end up removing this. It depends. I don't know yet. And then this should just slide out, and then yeah. After this slide up, we'll replace it with the new. I'm about to unbox it for y'all, so y'all stay tuned. But let me remove this first. Got my bucket as well for the cooler that's about to fall out. So make sure you get you a bucket, because you don't need it, my boy. But yeah, let me go ahead and remove this, and then I'll be right back with y'all. Yes sir, back at it. Got the switch shoes on. Can't mess up my 3s. But yeah, forgot to mention it was 1 more bolt, so it's like 2 bolts on this side you have to undo, and then 2 bolts and 1 tab. I mean, I think it's 1 bolt and 1 tab on this side. I ended up removing that as well, so I can make space so I can slide it out. And then I got my bucket, so I can catch this coolant. So now we're about to go over here. Unbox this bad boy. Sorry about that, but this is the new one. Literally like 2 times bigger than that one. Look at Pearson. That from this to that from this to that from this to that. Yes sir, let's get it. Basically same steps. I might clean it up a little bit. Got a little dirt behind there, but you can use like a cardboard to kind of just slide it in there. But I did undo these bolts just in case I have to move my radiator. There was a bolt here, bolt there, this bolt, and then this bolt over there. So you get a little bit more space and you can kind of slide it in. Once you slide it in, it's literally just plug and play from there. So let me hook this up. And then we're gonna go from there to this to there, and that's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna leave it there. You feel me? So let me hook this up, and I'll be right back with you. Hold up. All right, we are back. It really didn't take that long for me to put it in, as I was doing other stuff. Then I had to go pray and stuff. So, new heat exchanger is in. I used some of the new bolts they sent with it to kind of keep it tight on both sides. 1, 2. And then 1, and then it should be good. It should be sturdy. It's intact. Then I connected my hose back again. Hose here. And then one thing I like about this heat exchanger, bro, is kind of like similar to the AMS heat exchanger. So when it comes to bleeding, so when I need to bleed it, I'll just have to just go. It's kind of hard to see, but it's literally like a little. You see me unscrewing it? I can bleed it from there, and from here you just gotta make sure your reservoir is full. I have it full right now, and then I just bleed it from there. And that'll be it. So all I gotta do is turn the car on and bleed it. And then once I bleed it, I can put all this stuff back on, then put my bumper back on, and that'll literally be it. Maybe it takes no more than maybe like 30 minutes at the most. If you have somebody else with you, it'd probably be more faster. But it's just me solo dolo as usual. But yeah, let me do this right quick, and then I'm gonna show the process of bleeding it, and then I'll be right back. So, hold on, y'all stay right there. There you go right now, it's bleeding. Just let it keep going until you see all the bubbles are going to be gone. Still bleeding. Make sure the reservoir is full. Still full. You got coolant in there. Still bleeding. You want to make sure it's like a steady stream coming out. No bubbles at all, bro. Still see bubbles coming out. Cooling in the reservoir, cooling in there. Alrighty, people, we back. Heat exchanger is on. She's not just wiped her down, bro. She is looking spotless. I just washed her off. She be glistening. I'm not gonna lie, this silver be busting. Oof. But yeah, even at night it's busting. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do a little night drive, a little POV. See how it sounds and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take y'all along. Yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir. I got my ambient lighting on. Jeez. I didn't even know my car come with that. It's in the back seat too. Ambient lighting. All right. And we're about to take off. Yes, sir. We back. Heat exchanger is on. It's not heat soaking as much. I just washed her. She's looking pretty good. But yeah, kind of upset. I just took an L. Took an L by a Tesla. That nigga must have had a full charge. That's all I could say. Yeah, this is the Q. Got more things on the way. Yes, sir, my boy. Y'all just stay tuned. Like, subscribe to your boy. Oh my God, it's just something about that silver. I hope he hitting. But yes, sir, like and subscribe to your boy. If you're liking the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't watch and then not subscribe. I mean, it's only going up from here, you know what I'm saying? So y'all like and subscribe, comment down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.